Today we talk about Tecno Camon 30 Pro. It launched on March 2024. The dimensions of Tecno Camon 30 Pro: height 6.46 inches, width 2.93 inches, thickness 7.7 mm. The weight is 188 grams. The build of Tecno Camon 30 Pro: front glass aluminium back with silicone polymer finishing and aluminium frame. Let's talk about the display of Tecno Camon 30 Pro. It's come with AMOLED 16M color screen type. The screen size is 6.78 inches with 89.9% screen to body ratio. The resolution is 1080p and the refresh rate is 144 Hz. And the display brightness of Tecno Camon 30 Pro, it has 1400 nits peak of brightness. And the protection of Tecno 13 Pro, it has Corning Gorilla Glass 5. The platform, it has Android 14 operating system. The chipset is MediaTek Dimensity 8200 Ultimate. The CPU is octa-core Cortex A78 and the GPU is Mali G610. The memory of Tecno Camon 30 Pro, it has 12 gigs of RAM and 256 and 512 gigs of ROM. No SD card support in this mobile. The camera setup, it has triple camera setup. The main sensor 50 megapixel wide, 50 megapixel ultra wide and a 2 megapixel depth sensor, and it records 4K 60 fps video with main cameras and a 50 megapixel selfie camera, and it records 4K 30 fps video record. The battery backup, it has 5000 mAh battery with 70 watt fast wired charging, no wireless charging and no reverse charging in this mobile. The common and the feature, it has Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, stereo speaker, USB Type-C, fingerprint under display, GPS, NFC, UFS 3.1, infrared port and FM radio. The Tecno Camon 30 Pro price is $400.